there's the hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the farmer.
Follow U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Hi, Boo. What?
Alright, y'all, now I'm going to take a little bit of time and map out this nest of wires. Oh boy, it's falling apart. This nest of wires. This wires, these, looks like 22 gauge wire that's coming from the monitor and going down and connecting to these 14 gauge wires. One of them is a, I forget what this is called. I'm going to call it multi-strand, but there's like different wires that go to different places. And this wire, all these thicker wires connect down to the converter. So what I'm going to do is write down what connects to what, and then I'll mark it with a piece of tape so I know that I've gotten each one. And then what I'll do is I can cut these loose. I see some wire. So from my wiring experience, what we would do is turn this way. I don't know. Can you guys see me? Yeah, you should be able to see me. So there's I see a wire here that's not used. What we would do at my job is we would cap this off. So I need to probably cap that off, but we will see. Like, I don't understand why they have a jumper here. Why they didn't just connect these two pieces of wire together. Don't know. It's weird. I'm also gonna, in addition to writing this down, I'm also gonna be taking pictures of this just so I make sure that I don't miss anything. Alright, y'all. That'll be it for this episode of working on the rotten truck camper. The next episode, I'm going to start putting the Luan on the pieces that I've already cut out. Start working on putting the Luan on the walls, and pretty soon I'll be ready to tear that side down and start building it back up, which really makes me so nervous. But anyway, if you haven't already, click that like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.